Yeah, where do you change?
Oh,
Riptide Bay?
In the middle.
Welcome to Hurricane Harbor. You got me here.
Yeah.
You got me here.
He's not riding anything, but that's cool. Maybe get a good video or two of me, having fun. Yeah, it's cool.
Where you can destroy.
I can destroy. Well, what might destroy me? I want to move all the way back behind. That freaked me out. Like last year, I did it a few times, but then it's anxiety.
But yeah,
I'm definitely going to go to Skull Island. I want to get so talk to you later.
At this pizza place, there was like a 2-hour wait to get a pizza on July 4th.
This year?
There it is, Skull Island. This is 2010.
Oh, when you were here.
Hey James, act out the eyes of Skull Island.
Very nice, very nice.
Do the eyes. You can't, even though you can't really see because your glasses, but shit, man.
I can't make my eyes glow red like that.
Why did you change up here?
Yep.
See, they could have made this like another like
A whole bunch of rides.
yeah. Like you know how Disney has like the Future World,
Okay, yeah.
like Tomorrowland. They could have made that like a theme, like a
whole nother world.
Future World, right? Like you know they have like different settings. They have Flash Pass here?
I guess they do now.
Alright James, where do I wait? Just here?
Yeah, here. I'll be right out.
Okay. There goes the ball. Flash Pass Sales Center. Weird. How about that Skull Island?